Hi, my name is Calvin, and I'm going to be taking you through my Python Data Science Assignment 1. So the first thing you're going to want to do before you even start programming is download and move this biostats.csv file into your Colab. For me, I'll show you how I get it up right here. Go into my recent folders. I already have it downloaded. It's simple. You just click, highlight, drag and drop, and move it onto here. When it's your first time, you'll get some message saying that it'll be deleted after runtime, and that is okay. You will just have to remember to do that step on your own when you load up your application. Okay, as you can see, let me just scroll down a little bit so you can see the numbers. I ran this before I started recording, and I did not move that CSV file into here, so you can see I got my numbers all out of sorts, but for you it would not matter. So the first thing we're going to want to do is import Pandas so that we can read that CSV file, and then we're going to also want to import NumPy so that we can work with the data inside the CSV file and really play with it in an array. We'll shift enter just to run that little cell. And then what we'll do next is we're going to actually read our CSV file using Panda right here. You can see with the PD, and we're going to store that into our variable data. We'll shift enter, go to the next line, and you can see if we just type data and we run it, you will see everything inside of the CSV file. And then what we will do is we will use NumPy, which is pretty much an array's best friend, and we'll look into the array of data, which is the CSV file, and we're going to say, hey, we want to look into the CSV file, and we want to take everything from the column age, as you can see here, and we're going to store it into this variable age, and then we're going to print that variable age. As you can see, all the ages from the CSV file are printed out just as they are here, in order from 0 to 17, just like that. I'll run those just so you guys get an idea. Next, we're going to want to find the average age. So the cool thing about Python and NumPy is that it's got so many libraries that you can take advantage of, and math is not really my strong suit, but for NumPy it is. And so we will take the average age, we'll get our age variable, so as you can see with the array of every age there that we made, and we're going to want to find the mean, which is just another word for the average. We'll run that. So you can see the average age is 34.6, and then we'll move on, same thing with the standard deviation. We take the array, and standard deviation is 7.36, so that would be about how far or close every age is towards the median, or the mean, sorry. We'll take the minimum age, which is 23, as you can see right here. And the cool thing about NumPy is that it is significantly faster than using the normal Python built-in libraries. So if you're really worried about speed, this will be completely efficient, completely fast. We'll search the maximum age, which was 53. 30th percentile, so that is the age of which 30% are underneath that value. Median, which is just the middle number value inside the CSV file of ages, when ordered in descending or ascending order, it's just the middle value. And then the 70th percentile, similar to the 30th percentile, except this number represents the age of which 70% is below. And then lastly, we're going to want to put a chart of our data, make it look all beautiful. We will import our matplot library, as you can see here. And then we're going to want to import Seaborn as well, just so that we can set our data, make it all look nice and pretty. And as you can see, we're taking our matplot library. We just shortened it to plot up there, similar to what we did to NumPy and what we did to Pandas up above. And we're going to make a histograph, and we're going to take that age because that is the data of what we're making the graph of. We're going to set the title, Age Distribution by Calvin. And then we're going to want our labels. So the X label down at the bottom here will represent the ages. As you can see, they're all going up from the lowest one, if you remember the min value 23, all the way to the max 53. And then on the left side, we just have the number which represents how many people are of that age. And we can run that. And that concludes my data science assignment 1. Thank you for watching.